Work-from-home businesses have grown in popularity for good reason. Flexibility, comfort, and being your own boss are benefits. However, starting and running a business from home can be challenging, and it's important to have a plan. In this article, we'll cover key elements of starting and running a successful work-from-home business, including setting up a home office, building the business, managing finances, staying productive, networking, and legal considerations. Expectations should be realistic, as it takes effort and dedication to build a successful business. Prerequisites include having a clear idea of goals and skills/resources available, a dedicated space and necessary equipment, ergonomic and comfortable setup, and staying organized are essential for staying productive. Finding a niche you're passionate about and that is in demand is key to building a successful business. A solid business plan, strong branding, and marketing plan are essential for growing your business. Managing finances by keeping track of budget and expenses, understanding tax applications, and keeping accurate records is crucial. Time management, setting goals, and managing distractions are key to staying productive. Building a professional network, finding clients and customers, and collaborating with others can help grow your business. Complying with local laws and protecting your business with insurance is important for success. To achieve success with your work-from-home business, have a solid plan in place, stay focused, and be willing to put in the time and effort required to build and grow your business.